Hi, this is the VIVO S17 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. We could also use volume buttons to change the ringtone, and to change the medias just select one from the available options here. We could also use the vibration for incoming calls like always, never, and to vibrate first then ring gradually. We could also activate and turn off the vibration for notifications with the help of the switcher. To activate and turn off the don't disturb mode, in media section we could pin media player and just to turn it off, and to show media recommendations with the help of the switchers. We could switch the phone notification and alarm ringtones, and to activate and turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, the screenshot sounds, touch vibration, and to use vibration in other party answers. So we could activate and turn off all of these options with the click on the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.